National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cleburne County in north central Arkansas, northwestern Independence County in north central Arkansas, southern Iser County in north central Arkansas, eastern Stone County in north central Arkansas, extreme east central Van Buren County in north central Arkansas until 7:15 p.m. At 6:34 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 2 miles east of Greers Ferry, or 3 miles north of Greers Ferry Lake, and moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mountain View, Melrose, Heber Springs, Greers Ferry Lake, Lunenburg, Luber, Lone Star, Purple, Greers Ferry Dam, Greers Ferry, Kit, Cushman, Croker, Concord, Brandenburg, Woodrow, Twin Creek, Sillamore. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Monday evening for Arkansas. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in Arkansas: Cleburne, Independence, Izard, Stone, and Van Buren. The storm which prompted the warning